Here come the winds of change. We'll feel the wind gusting to 50 miles per hour, especially on the hilltops later on today, with that wind gusty because of that front coming through. Warm front, then a cold front very quickly. Becoming and staying windy through tonight. We're back to reality this weekend. Temps cooling down, break out that fall gear after a little taste of summer, and showers next week. Don't get your hopes up. Not a lot of rain coming, but we'll take every drop. Speaking of, the drought is expanding. That's the bad news. Moderate drought expanding, also severe drought in southern York County. Brush fires could get worse because of this, especially with the wind and the dew point humidity being low. So watch out for that today into the first start of the weekend. Temperatures today are 40s and 50s. Still 60s, the mid-coast south, so still mild there. Typically, it's only 48 for a high, especially in southern Maine. But once that front gets through, we're going to really cool things down for the weekend. Clouds and sun mixed today, a gusty wind increasing tonight, and showers north, but dry south. Not a lot of rain coming, really, if any, outside of the mountains today. We'll talk about the forecast now, going into detail, what is happening across the state. And with those dew points coming down, obviously I have concerns tonight with the wind picking up and brush fires. Clouds and sun, breezy, west wind 10 to 20, gusting to 40 and 50 though. Very gusty. Sunset at 4:18, coast 60, inland 57, the mountains getting to those mid to upper 50s before we cool down significantly. Here's the wind forecast. West to northwest, we go from warm front to cold front. Gusting though, very high this afternoon, wind advisory up. For the Mariners, things are relatively breezy now, but tonight a gale warning goes up for the Mariners. So be very careful out on the water. It's going to get very bumpy tonight with that frontal passage. Quick cold frontal passage today. Wind picks up. Watch out for some scattered outages. And a dry weekend until Sunday night and Monday. That's when the wind's going to go down and we're going to have showers come in. Here is that in the weekend forecast. No rain. It holds off until Sunday night. In the mountains, 30s and 40s. We do warm up on Sunday. Same thing inland. Coast getting up into the 50s this weekend. Here's the forecast next 10 days. Only place you're going to see it is right here on Jason Nappy Weather. 40s to 30s, cold front number one. Another cold front Monday, Tuesday, a few showers. And then we'll have rain and snow showers in the mountains by we get to Thursday and Friday. Accumulation right now not going to be significant. Inland temperatures making a run for 60 today, but not quite. 57 to 46. And then 61 on Monday. So warming up for Veterans Day and the holiday. And then we're cooling down next week. A little bit more seasonable with those 40s popping up. For the coastline, we go from 64 to 54 Monday to Tuesday on Veterans Day. A few showers around. And then Thursday, Friday, some more showers, although not going to be extremely significant. So the drought's going to get worse. Make sure you're aware of that. You're heading out, doing any recreation later on today. I hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you on Jason Nappy Weather.